Hey guys, it is Greg again. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you just landed here, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button. Greatly appreciate that. New subscribers, I appreciate you too, and those hitting like on the videos, I really appreciate you too. Thank you very much. All right, guys, Bitcoin is not doing anything unusual, what we did not expect. If you're following this channel, those following this channel know be in cash, stacking cash, USDC, getting ready to deploy capital. When that will be, don't know. We still have quite a bit more time. We'll be looking at that here in the near future, but not anything unusual. It's coming into, looks like the top of the target, coming right on top of the 200 weekly moving average, which is probably going to be a significant area where it's just going to stop there for a while. And it might lower end target about 20,700 of that area. Now I do have this area too, just this top of this area to here. They could go down there. That's that 17, 15, 14. I don't think it's going to get down there, but you just never know. I always have backup plans, if you will. Now here's the area on the weekly chart. Taking a look at the RSI, you can see this last selling momentum, or what people call oversold, is looking good. It took that out. That's the 2018 bear market, the conclusion of the bear market, and it came down over taking all these out. So you know, these are significant areas. These are areas that if you bought Bitcoin when the RSI was down here, you know, you might have had to gone through a lot of ups and downs, but the facts remain. If you bought Bitcoin here, and now what are the odds what would happen if you bought it here? Something to think about. It's the same thing with Ethereum. I think Ethereum's got more downside. I'm still looking for that $1,000 price target down here. Okay, I might have a bounce and get down there. That's still the area. Looking at the RSI indicator for Ethereum, come down, look at Ethereum. It took out the this is the conclusion of the 2018 bear market right here, guys, right there. So these are areas that you want to, right there. If you would have bought Ethereum there and there, we all know what happened next. So what would happen if we buy it in this area? This all to me looks good. Now, this is not to say that Ethereum couldn't go down a little bit more, guys, on this RSI with this thing. I do expect it to go down more, and maybe it'll dump really good and even bring this down lower. So other thing I wanted to make people on my channel aware of that is off topic is the oil chart. I know it's the old boring oil chart, but I think this is going to be a massive and important indicator for the rest of the markets. So you see the oil, here's that peak of that third wave with the most momentum. That means that's how you find third waves with Elliott waves. For those that have just recently subscribed, you find the highest momentum. Now, the momentum can come back up and take it out, and your third wave just moves up there. It's just extending out because it's so bullish. Happens all the time in cryptocurrencies. And then here's a fourth wave that's coming up on this fifth, and it has divergence. I think that's important because if this continues to do a moonshot, oil continues to do a moonshot, it's not going to be good for the financial markets, inflation, or crypto. And if it does this, this will be good for inflation, financial markets, and crypto. So this right here, you want to kind of keep your eye on is what's oil going to do? Is it going to finish up its move and then correct, or is it just going to keep trending up? I think this is going to be a massive and very, very important indicator for the future of the financial market. So I will be paying attention to the price action of oil. Okay. Now, the other thing is too, is I wanted to, for those that recently subscribed to my channel that's not aware of, I do have videos of where the Fed did quantitative tightening and increased interest rates. And the last time that they have done this, they had an interest rate right here in November of 2015. They increased interest rates and started doing quantitative tightening all through this. So I am just letting you guys know that the fallacy of increasing interest rates and doing quantitative tightening, all the markets have to go down. This is proof that that's not true. I know it could be a little bit different situation over here, but that is certainly proof that you can't say 100% of the time that will happen. That'll be devastating to the markets. You take a look at the S&P 500 during its massive correction. Back here in this time from 02 to about 05, it had a 100% move, almost 100%, maybe more move up. And that's not to say when the S&P comes down, it could do a massive corrective move up of 40, 50, 60%. We just don't know, and then finish off the correction. Okay, and in that time, you could have Bitcoin do a move somewhat similar to 1, 2 up here, and then complete that and just do maybe even a minor move. So if it's not bullish, it won't go up as high, but 60, 70, 72,000. All right, guys, that's some of the things that I'm looking out for, trying to make my followers aware of it. I'm bearish short term, obviously, on Bitcoin, but long term, medium to long term, I'm looking for opportunities to come in and start picking up some of this asset to see for signals for it to start making a move like this, guys. That's what I'm doing, keeping the cash handy, the dry powder handy, and get ready to deploy it. All right, guys, if you're in that position, you're already ahead of the game. If you're in that position, you have dry powder handy and you're patiently waiting, you're already ahead of the game. And you're hanging out at this time in the market where everybody is saying it's a bear market, it's all going down, and we need to go crawl back under our rocks. And then when Powell says it's okay, we can come back out. You're already in that excellent position if that's you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Peace.